Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online using AI art. Now specifically, we'll be using in this example, in this video, Midjourney. Now there's a lot of AI tools that you can use to generate AI art or AI art generative content. We have DALL-E, we have Stable Diffusion and so much more. However, based on my experience, Midjourney has given me the best results as of the moment, okay? Now, before we begin, let's define first what is Midjourney or what is this platform. Now, Midjourney, this is a research lab, okay? They are actually focused on developing AI-based technologies, usually for natural language processing, for computer vision, and so on. And one of their project is this AI art or text to image generation. Okay, this is a very powerful tool wherein it allows you to create an image based on your textual description or like the prompts that we call, okay? It's similar to DALL-E, created by OpenAI and also Stable Diffusion. Okay, so that technology is known usually as text-to-image in layman's term or text-to-photosynthesis model. Okay, so it uses usually sometimes natural language processing, this AI tools, okay, and machine learning techniques so that the tool can generate realistic image based on text description. Okay, and also the desired image that the text is you would like to portray. Now, before we proceed with this one, okay, how do we make money here? We need to understand the terms and conditions of this platform or of this tool. So Midjourney has different subscription plans, okay? So you can definitely generate image for free, okay? But it's limited. It also has basic plan, standard plan, and the pro plan. So this is depending on the GPU, how fast the GPU consumption is. So up to the pro plan, you're allowed up to 30 hours per month. Now, what you have to focus here on will be the usage rights. So if you're under the paid subscription, no matter which tier, you have, the access to general commercial terms. Okay? So now, before we proceed, you have to remember that you need to understand what the nitty and gritty, the details, okay, under the terms of service for your usage rights, especially when it comes to using the image generated by AI, okay, with Midjourney before you proceed, just to make sure that you're all clear, okay? So before we begin with the different ways on how you can monetize, how you can make money using this powerful tool, so I'll show you some example. If you click the community showcase, here are the photos that have been generated by this AI tool. And these are so powerful, so detailed that it will be actually hard to generate it manually if you'll be doing it on your own. Now the AI does it for you in just a couple of seconds. It will generate this wonderful image, fantastic image that is really based on how you design or how you command this tool. Now you will be commanding it using prompts. So if you click here, if you hover your mouse here, you will see this. Okay, these are the prompts. So prompts, just think of it like a language instruction or instruction that you're giving to the AI so that it will generate what you have instructed it to do. Okay, so you can sell this image to websites like Adobe Stock. Now you have to remember there's a lot of stock websites where you can sell photos and make money online. But you still need, because the AI is still advancing, it's still in the infancy stage at the moment. So what's available in the market, you have to remember that you need to make sure that you're following terms and conditions of each website because it varies. Okay, so for example, in Adobe Stock, okay, they are actually, it shows here, want your content made using generative AI tools be accepted with Adobe Stock collection. So Adobe Stock accepts content made using generative AI, so which is, Midjourney is one, okay, tools, as long as it meets our submission standards. So you have to make sure that the photo that you're uploading, okay, meets their submission standards. Basically, if you have this unique photo generated by Midjourney, you just have to upscale it using this different tools like Photoshop and so on, and then upload it as long as it meets the standards required by Adobe Stock. And then the more you upload, the more you upload contents in here, the more money you can generate selling stock photos made by Midjourney. Depends on your prompt. Okay, so that's Adobe Stock. If you go to different websites like Shutterstock, for example, you have to make sure that you read the terms and conditions if they will allow you to sell AI generative content art. Okay, so that you can create a profile and your portfolio in their platform. All right. So this is one of the great ways for you to make money, and this is actually very passive. Once you have uploaded bunch of contents in there, it will stay there. Okay. Another way for you to make money online, selling AI art, okay, or photos from Midjourney, is print on demand. Okay, this is a very powerful way, a great way for you to make money online using AI art. So print on demand, for those of you who have not heard of this, this is actually a business model. Okay, so it's like drop shipping, but it's not really drop shipping. It's like the products are only printed when they are ordered. Okay, similar to drop shipping, but in print on demand, that's why it's print on demand. If there's an order that was placed, that's the only time that they will be printing the art. So how you make money here is if you go to websites like this one, Teespring, okay, Printful or Shopify, you will need to have an art. And that art is, you will be attaching it to different merchandise like this: caps, hoodies, bags, phone cases, shirts, tops, etc. Okay, now whenever those are the items that you are selling, now whenever someone places an order, you'll get a commission or you get a cut because your image was attached to that merchandise. Okay, so you can definitely use the image generated by Midjourney, okay, provided that you have the usage rights for it, and then you use print on demand business model. You can generate a lot of money from doing this. Okay, not only you're able to generate image and unique and fantastic image very fast, very efficient, you're also able to generate a lot of merchandise from doing so. Okay, so that's a great business model, I believe. So that's print on demand. Another way for you to make money online using generative AI content like Midjourney is selling prompts. So if you go to websites like this one, prompt based, this website allows you to sell prompts. Okay, you remember what I said about prompts. So if you go to Midjourney, this one, okay, the text that's written, the instructions, okay, so those are prompts. Now for you to generate this image, you need to have a specific prompt. And although it might appear that it is easy, for you to generate a specific unique style for each of the different photos that you're seeing, you need to follow a certain format of a prompt. Okay, you can sell that prompt. Okay, so for example here, this portfolio, okay, it shows you it's applicable for Midjourney. It's $199. These are the type of image that you can generate using this prompt. Okay, this one, this one, this one, okay. So there's a lot. Okay, so you can definitely take advantage of this one if you know how to, if you are able to master specific style. Okay, using the prompt that you have, you can upload it here and then sell it and make money online. Very passive way. Okay, another way for you to make money online using Midjourney, using AI generative art, is selling the art itself. Okay, you can go to websites like Etsy. Etsy is a very big website. It allows you to sell different artworks, handicrafts, and so on. So for example here, if you filter AI art, okay, you'll see your custom baseless portrait, faceless portrait, okay, astronaut, the dreamlike. These are all AI art attached to a canvas. So it's up to you actually how you want to sell the item on Etsy. So these are all the things that is currently available right now on Etsy. Some are even being sold 44.76 pounds and so on. So you can definitely, generate great image, unique image. Some, I've seen photos or I've seen image generated by Midjourney that are so powerful, so unique that you will be really amazed how the tool was able to create it. Okay, so you can use Etsy and other similar websites to sell that art itself. And then lastly would be making an online course. Okay, so one great website is Skillshare, similar to Udemy, similar to Coursera. Okay, there's a large audience of people here interested in learning about AI generative art, and you can definitely provide the knowledge and the experience if you already have it. Okay, we'll go road to time. Make your own course. The website itself has their own tools and features to allow you to create your own, first online course, which is very professional and attractive looking. So you can definitely make an online course, sell it on these platforms, and then you can make passive online whenever there's someone who enrolled in your course. Okay, so there's also another way. You can create or even sell a membership or subscription based service based on the course. Whenever they subscribe, they can get an access to that. So something similar to that, but basically the foundation is that you have your own course, you have your own knowledge, that your audience will, or the people that are interested in learning, will gain an access to as soon as they have paid for either a tuition fee, an enrollment service, a membership, or a subscription base. So you can definitely make money or monetize your skills generating AI generative art content by using those things that I've mentioned. All right. So that's it for today. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.